Hi everyone, I am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Assess Chapter 3 Simulation Exam. Okay, I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. If you need help in this exam or if you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam for you with A plus grades. So we will go to my lab at Pearson, go to Assess Chapter 3. We will click on Assess Chapter 3 Simulation Exam. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Access, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Word, and other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Math Statics courses, business classes, C++, Java, and many more online courses. Okay, simply we will click on Start button. Okay, so we will go to Assess Chapter 3 Simulation Exam and we will click on Launch button. Our exam will be launched right now. Okay, so my our class is average right now. So question number 1, create a new query using the query design button. First add the employees info table. So we will go to the create table. In the queries group, click on query design button. Okay. First add the employee info table. So, and the sales by employees table. So we will add the sales by employees table. Click on close button. So close any option dialog box. From the employees info table, add the first name and last name field to the query design grid. First name and last name to the query design grid. Okay. From the sales by employees table and quarter and actual sales to the order. Actual sales in that order. Okay. Run the query simply in the design view, in the design tab, in the query tab, in the result group, click on run button. Display the query 1 query in design view. We will display query 1 query in design view. We will go to the view tab and we will open a design view query 1. So with the query 1 query open a design view, set the criteria for the quarter fee to be fast. Press enter. Set the criteria for the quarter fee to be fast. In design view of query 1 query, sort the actual sales column in ascending order. Okay. In design view of the query 1 query, actual sales column, sort the actual sales column in ascending order. We will right arrow and we will select ascending order. So save the query as employees commissions first quarter. We will save this query. Right click on query 1 tab and we will click on save button. Save this query as employee commissions first quarter. Employees commission first quarter. Okay, first quarter. So click on OK button. Run the query in the result group. We will click on run button. So the next is that display the employees commissions first quarter query in design view. We will open this employees commission first quarter query in design view. In the first empty column, create a calculated field with the name commissions that multiplies the annual sales field by 0.025 and then press enter. Okay, right click on this arrow, click on zoom button. So In the first empty column, create a calculated field with the name commission that multiply the actual sale by 0.025. Commission actual sales. Commission actual sales multiplying by 0.025. Okay, and then press enter. Commission actual sales multiplying by 0.025 and then press enter. So okay, so press enter. Click on OK. Run the query and then save the query. Simply we will go to design tab in the results group. Click on run the button. So query will be run and save query. Right click on this and save button. So the next question is question number 3. I have done 2 questions. In design view of the employees commission first quarter, formatted query, select then format the commission calculated field as a currency with 2 decimal places and then and add a caption of first quarter commission no period, press enter. First we will in design view of the employee commission first quarter formatted query. Okay. In the design tab in the show hide group, click on property sheet button. Okay. Description is and add a caption first quarter commission. Add a caption is first quarter commission and decimal place is 2. Decimal place is 2 and caption is a first quarter commission. First quarter commission. Okay. So currency with 2 decimal places and first quarter, press enter. So we will press enter. CUMMISISIUN. Okay. So run the query and save the query. Simply we will click on the run button, the result group, and right click on this query and click on save button. Okay. Question is completed. Now, so the next question is create a new column in the query with the following formula wrong commission into actual sales multiplying by rate. Create a new column in the query with the following formula. Okay, right click on this arrow and click on zoom button. So we will create a new column in the query with the following formula wrong commission CU and into actual sales multiplying by rate. Actual sales multiplying by a rate. Multiplying by a rate. Actual sales multiplying by rate. Click on OK button. So run the query. Okay, in the result group, run the query. Enter 1 lakh in the first parameters box and 0.03 in the second. First parameter 1 lakh and click on OK. So the second parameter we will enter 0.03 Notice that our result display $3,000. Point zero. Okay. Display the Black Commission second quarter query in design view. Okay. Go to the view tab. Click on the view button and we will open display the Black Commission second quarter query in design view. So use the expression builder to change the wrong commission column to a field name commissions. Modify the formula so it multiplies actual sales per rate. Okay, modify the use the expression builder to change the wrong commission column to field name commission. So modify the formula so that multiply actual sales per rate. Okay, wrong commission. We will change the wrong commission column to a field name commissions. Okay, you can see I have changed the wrong commission to a commission. So we will modify the formula so it multiplies actual sales per rate. Actual sales per rate. Click on OK. Run the query. When promoted, enter 0.03 and click OK. In the result group, run the query. We will enter 0.03 and click OK. So questions completed now. I have done 3 questions so far of this exam. So the next question, use the expression builder to change the commission column to a field name quarter 2 commission. Modify the formula so it multiplies actual sales by 0.03. Use the expression builder to change the commission column to, okay, we will go to the design tab, click on builders button, commission column to field name quarter 2 commission, quarter 2 commission. So modify the formula so multiply actual sales by 0.03. Actual sales multiply, we will remove this rate and multiplying by 0.03 and click on OK. So question is completed now. You can see I have done 4 questions of this exam in my video. If you need help in this complete exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam for you with A plus grade, and I will do this complete my lab course for you with A plus grade. I will do your complete Microsoft Access, complete Microsoft Excel, complete Microsoft Word and PowerPoint with A plus grade. I am handling many student courses. It's my guarantee I will provide you 90 to 95 plus grades in this course. So I am asked if you sorry. So if you need help in other courses like my lab accounting, my lab finance, business classes, statics courses, and C++ or Java, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp is shown on my bottom of the laptop screen and my WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.